Hey there. Thanks for watching my Viral Profit App review by Glynn Kosky, where I'm not just going to walk you through the sales page or show you a demo video like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie. I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. This Viral Profit App review is based on my honest opinion of actually logging into this platform myself, and I'm going to take you with me as we research this dashboard, the strategy they want you to use, and any problems that I see with it. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you find value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as I can. Now, let's see what Viral Profit App promises us. Exposed. $2.7 trillion breakthrough pays them every single day. 100% done for you, two-step system gets free autopilot traffic that pays them $250 per day. Push button easy with free traffic built in. Zero expenses required, zero experience required, and zero tech skills required. On the right, we have the typical big, bold claims that Glynn Kosky always gives us. The beta testers made money, it's super fast, there's no experience, it's for beginners, and there's free buyer traffic. My biggest concern with this product is going to be about halfway down the page, where it says, it feels like stealing, but shockingly, this is 100% legal. They've created their own little loophole to legally hijack profits from some of the biggest websites on earth. They're talking about CNN, BBC, the New York Times, BuzzFeed. Let's take a look inside. As usual, inside the Viral Profit app, this looks like all of Glynn Kosky's other products that he puts out. You do have a welcome video, and then there are tutorials. This training is a total of about 15 minutes to tell you what the buttons in this platform do. There are 2 short videos on upsells, and then the rest is the traffic strategies that Glynn Kosky puts in all of his products. So all of this has been out for at least a year, so it's nothing new if you've already got a Glynn Kosky product. You do have the option to integrate an autoresponder. If you don't have one of these 9, we will discuss how to deal with that later. And then you would want to come to subdomains. I am using the review access, but when you come in, you will be able to take this and name it for your business, as long as it's available. You will be making a page on the domain vpasites.com. This is your one chance to brand this so it is visible for your business, but you do not own this site. So if for some reason this site does not work, you cannot get this back up and running because you don't own it. You cannot troubleshoot it. You are at the mercy of Viral Profit App and Glynn Kosky to get it up and running. Now, I say that a lot in these reviews, but I'm going to prove it today. If we copy this and paste it into our browser and search, Viral Profit App is not working properly. It says that the domain is not registered, and this site is also not secure. So if you're trying to make sales on a website, make sure it's secure, because I'm not going to put in any of my payment information in a non-secure website. If this site were working, it is very similar to all of his other products. It is a web page that pulls in RSS feeds to update your content. Using RSS feeds is not illegal, but the way this platform sets up your web page can get you into copyright trouble, because you are actually using ads and pop-ups to monetize this site. In the training, they tell you to go ahead and get your affiliate links for products that you want to promote, and they do give you some done for you with Wealthy Affiliate and Coinbase. When you pick out your products, make sure that they have a clear purpose for your customers. Don't just promote anything. So if one of these have a clear purpose for your customers, you could get an affiliate link for those, or you would need to do it yourself and you would create a new ad to sell your affiliate product. Either way, you are trying to sell something on this website, which means you are trying to monetize it, because that's the only way you're going to make money. We will talk about that in detail a little bit later. In campaigns, this is where you put all the prep work you've done before to good use. You give it a title and set up your colors. If you don't have one of the 9 autoresponders, you can put the raw HTML form in here. And then there is an autoresponder form settings. So you will have an opt-in form on this website if it ever works. You can choose from the content that you've put in as far as your RSS feeds. There's an exit pop-up form. you would choose your banner ad that you set up on the left, as well as a call to action. And then here is social media. So if this were working and you had finally saved your page, you would need to get this in front of people to make money with the affiliate links and affiliate products you've chosen to promote. They give you the option here for social media. You can do Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. Here's my question to you. Who is your following on these social media platforms? Is it people that know you do affiliate marketing and want to buy products from you? Or is it friends and family that you keep up with and send funny memes to? Because if it is not a following that knows you do affiliate marketing and want to buy from you, this isn't going to get in front of any extra traffic or eyes or people to make any extra sales for you. The second way Glynn Kosky tries to give you to get free traffic is this, where it says free traffic. Unfortunately, once you come in here, you realize it is just a bunch of apps that you are required to use and some training before you can finally submit a form to Glynn Kosky to get some of his old traffic that he's already sent all of these products to. And that is on very rare occasion. You have to do everything right and fill out the form, and maybe you'll get that traffic that's already been used. The rest of what's in this platform is upsells, and we'll talk about that in just a second. So what's the strategy with Viral Profit app if it were actually working? You will simply get a web page on vpasites.com domain to pull in RSS feeds and then monetize with banners and sidebars. Now, I told you I'd tell you the problems about RSS feeds and monetizing them. On the sales page, New York Times is one of the places they tell you you can legally hijack profits from by using their RSS feeds. But if we look at the New York Times terms of service, these services shall be used only in a non-commercial manner. You are not allowed to monetize the RSS feeds or any feeds from the New York Times. Sky News is actually in there as well. If we look at the content section, somebody has brought in Sky News for the RSS feed. And if we look at Sky News terms and conditions, there are actually several things you cannot copy, download, reproduce, republish, frame, broadcast, transmit in any manner whatsoever any material on the Sky site except as is strictly necessary for your own personal, non-commercial home use. There is another section about intellectual property and copyright, where they tell you that their copyright, trademarks, and all other intellectual property rights of the Sky site shall remain at all times vested in them. So they retain their copyright at all times. If you are going to use one of these sites as an RSS feed, make sure you read the rules and regulations before you actually try to monetize it by selling something on top of it. If you wanted to do this yourself, you could purchase a domain, and if you need one, be sure to check out our link in the description below for a free website. Once you get that, you can use your WordPress dashboard to find a plugin or a free way to pull in an RSS feed. There are helpful trainings that will walk you through that. Just make sure if you do that, you do not monetize the page that that RSS feed appears on. My second biggest problem is that this just doesn't work. It's not secure and it doesn't work. This is actually the second one I have tried to pull, and it's just not working. Let's take a look at the pricing for Viral Profit app. In all of the sales literature, Viral Profit app shows this. This is Glynn Kosky's normal funnel. It has 6 upsells. As usual, when we get into the dashboard, on the right, you can see there's going to be a total of 11 upsells, but even over on the left, they only show you 8. And these 8 don't even match these 11. So there could be more than 11 if they're going to try to sell you all of them. Based on the prices I could find on just 8, you are looking at $808. Plus, there are 3 more for a total of 11 upsells. So you're definitely looking at more than $800 for Viral Profit app, and it's not even working. I'll leave it up to you if you want to waste your time, money, and energy on Viral Profit app. It is perfectly okay to use RSS feeds, but you cannot monetize them. This can get you in copyright trouble. There is no free built-in traffic. It is using your current existing social media lists, and it doesn't work. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I hope this Viral Profit app review answered all of your questions. If it didn't and you still have questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.